Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about unboxing the MSI machine. I'm talking about a laptop and it's a gaming machine. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Heavy, really heavy. As you can see here, this is the laptop, guys, and we're gonna just unbox it and experience some gaming stuff throughout this machine and test out some few kind of benchmark and see how it performs. But I won't get too much deeper. I think I'll focus on those kind of things which this machine it got, and on the next one I'm gonna do fully game testing, because right now I just want to share with you guys how is the machine and the experience and stuff like that, which it's really kind of great. So enough of me talking, let us just get started. Feels really heavy, to be honest. This is the machine here, so we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside, because I'm so pumped to see what's in here. So let us just open up here. Whoa, this is so awesome. So I'm gonna keep the box somewhere here. We're getting like a paperwork which says MSI. Let me just open up here to see what's inside here, because I'm really kind of pumped and thrilled to just see what's packed in here. So let's see what it says. So MSI guide, so you get some guide here on how you can use the machine and stuff like that. You can see there, which is a really kind of great thing, and yeah, it's really kind of awesome. Jumping out to the machine. Now I'm gonna get the machine out first and keep it aside first. What's left here, it's a power brick, so we're gonna just open up the box and see what's inside, and it's really kind of great thing. So you can see, guys, this is the power brick of the MSI gaming machine, which is really kind of great. We're having another one here, the cable now, the power cable, which goes directly through the bigger power outlet or the bigger power supply. This is the power supply throughout the laptop, which is really good. You can see here we have it. This is our machine, so we're gonna just remove this kind of packaging first, and it's really kind of awesome. So yeah, and watch till the end of this video. We have our great and amazing sponsor of the day. This is TZ Dealers. These guys deal with laptops and many kind of tech stuff. You should check them out. I'll leave a link down below in the description for more info. So as you can see, this is our bad boy. Really good. I can call it the Stormtrooper, the white version, because it's white but not typically white. It looks like a milky white somewhere there. It's really kind of great thing. At the back here, as you can see, guys, there's a lot of ventilation going on in here. You can see there a lot of ventilation, which is really kind of awesome. Side of the ports, as you can see, guys, we are having the USB 2.0 and the USB 3.0. I think this is a USB 3 on this side and USB 2 on this side, and a power port for charging it, which is really kind of awesome. And another kind of stuff on this side, we are having another kind of port, which is the headphone jack port, and we are having the USB 3.0 and the USB Type-C and the HDMI port, and we're having the Ethernet. This is Ethernet port, which is really kind of convenient. So guys, right now we're gonna have a look upon the specification on this machine. I won't dive in too much. I'm gonna catch up with you guys throughout each kind of phase, and we're gonna do some benchmarking, and yeah, and that's what's up. So let us just jump in on the machine and see what specs it has. So guys, first thing first, at the first glance you can spot a really nice background created for MSI. This is the Sword 15, and I think this is the other Sword 15 but black version. So just know these machines, there's a black and white. Yeah. So another kind of stuff, we're gonna go directly through DXDiag. So as you can see what's happened. So we're inside DXDiag. As you can see, guys, inside here it shows you we're having the machine, which is it's the MSI, and the Windows it's running, it's Enterprise. I changed it throughout home. I was trying a lot of things, but it's not such a big deal. Another kind of stuff we can see, it's Sword 15A11UD, and it's an 11th gen Intel Aura Core i7, and that's the processor code name here. And another kind of stuff, it has 16 CPUs, which is really good, running for almost 2.3 gigahertz. Now, how can you spot that? Go directly through our device manager and go to processor. You can see 16 CPUs in here, which is really kind of perfect throughout this kind of machine, which is what I like about it. Another kind of stuff which is so good about this machine, it's all about the display. Now, throughout Intel, you can see here the display memory is 128 MB, and approximately memory is like 12 GB. And yeah, but let's go to render. Now, rendering, things are getting really good. Approximately memory, it's 16 GB, and the total display memory, it's 4 GB. And shared memory, it's 12 GB, which is really kind of spontaneous throughout this machine. The capability of what it has, it's really good. We're gonna run the benchmark throughout Geekbench and explore what it has. So right now I'm gonna do a run of CPU benchmark. First of all, I'm gonna run the CPU of benchmark. Hey guys, here we have it. We got our score. Our score says it has a single core of 1351 score and a multi-score of 6781 score, which is really good. Now, you can see here down, it tells you the operating system, it tells you the operating system date, I think. Another kind of stuff, it tells you the Intel Lake model, motherboard and stuff like that. A lot of things going on. You can see 11th generation, one processor, 8 cores, 16 threads, which is really good. Socket, Tiger Lake, many kind of stuff. As you can see here, this is our single core performance, how much it has performed. It's really good compared to the multi-core performance, which the multi-core performance has been nailed a lot, because you can see the graph has gone very higher. HDR crushes it, which is really good. Ray tracing is really good too on this kind of bad boy. So that's on the CPU side. And right now we're gonna check out throughout the GPU, which is the graphics card. Now I'm gonna use the NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti and run our compute and see how much it's gonna be competing. Okay guys, as you can see on the GPU side, we have a good score, 64,723, which is really impressive, really good. As you can see, it gives you still the same the graph, but when you go here down to the OpenCL information, you can see NVIDIA Corporation, NVIDIA CUDA, NVIDIA GeForce component units 20, device memory 4 GB, and it's really kind of good. So that's about the GPU side on this machine. And yeah, those are just like my kind of Geekbench, getting all this kind of stuff. I'll leave a link down below if you want this kind of utility of Geekbench, so as it can share with you guys those kind of summary or analytics, or it's not analytics, it's gonna share with you guys your machine, how much it threads throughout single thread and multi-core threads, and even the GPU side. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this video today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Will you just grab the MSI machine, or are you gonna grab an HP Omen, or you are into Alienware? Let me know which type of a gaming machine you prefer mostly, not only because of gaming, but even for your kind of productivity. If you want to, it's really kind of nice. Gaming wise, through this machine, it's really good. I've tested the NASCAR gaming, and it gave me, and not only it gave me a good performance, but I played to the maximum high performance to test out how much it can do the thing, and it was really good. Surprisingly, I didn't see any kind of glitch out or anything like that of the sort, but the machine was performing in a really kind of good way throughout the MSI gaming machine. As I was saying, you want to get any kind of gaming machine, you can get it at TZ dealers. This guy sells good and amazing machines out there in Arusha, and they can ship for you anywhere in Tanzania. That's what's up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace.